So this fan is now being destroyed. No power or anything because I just don't feel like it. I just want it gone. So yeah, I got some weapons. Not a lot, but it's enough to damage it. I really don't like this fan, so yeah. Anyways, let's get started. All right, so we're just gonna start off with the throw. Maybe there's some parts I could take out of this. Oh, here's the motor. Assuming that didn't get so much damaged, I guess I'll just toss this aside. Stupid mounting. These parts, I guess I'll keep. Seeing that broke, I guess I'll keep this because I maybe could use it as a project motor.
Spoilers, I did not.
That's really it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this really short destruction. Well, it is 6 minutes, but I'll be editing it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.